How to fix the messages are missing restore now issue on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble, it could be because of app glitches, sync issues, or incomplete backups. So to start up with the troubleshooting steps, ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. The restoration process could require a strong connection. Step 2. Long press the Messenger app and go to App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. Once that is done, it will remove the corrupted data and fix issues without deleting your messages. Third step, head over to Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Messenger. Tap on Update and it will help to solve any temporary glitches or bugs as well. Make sure to reinstall the Messenger app if the app issue is still persists. Additionally, you can even try to log in Messenger on a different phone or web browser. Also, if you have recently disabled the chat backup, make sure to go to the settings or account settings of your Messenger application and enable backups and try restoring messages again. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.